In this video, I'll walk you through how to get the Chase Freedom Flex card. So just a quick note to the restrictions, I can't show you the exact internal process step by step, but listen carefully as I explain everything so you'll know what to do and what to expect. So the Chase Freedom Flex is a popular cashback card, and applying for it is actually pretty simple. So, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the official Chase website or open your Chase mobile app. So, if you already have an account from there, search for the Chase Freedom Flex. So, under credit cards, and you should see the option to apply there. So, once you click the apply now, Chase will ask for some personal and financial details like your name, address, social security number, income, and employment information. So make sure everything is entered accurately since that's what Chase uses to determine your eligibility. Now, something to keep in mind, just like with other Chase cards, the 5-4 or 524 rule applies. So this means if you've opened 5 or more credit cards in the past 24 months from any bank, there's a good chance Chase will deny the application. So it's always better to double check your recent credit history before you apply. If you qualify, you'll usually get an instant decision, but in some cases, Chase may need a fewer days to review your application. So if you're approved, the Freedom Flex card will be mailed to you. So typically within a week or two, and you'll be able to start using it right away. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.